we have a breaking news, and all of you will be very happy to hear that. But first of all, let me thank His Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodimma. And I want to also thank all the security apparatus in Imo State and those of you who are working seriously to make sure insecurity stopped permanently in Imo State. I will not forget to thank my very good friend Ola and every time in Tiger Base, our military, our police, and our vigilant group, and those citizens who are providing vital information. I thank each and every one of you. Now, I'm happy to announce to you that the second in command of IPENSO is gone. What I mean by that, just a few minutes ago, the formidable security in Imo State managed to transport him to God for due judgment. So if I'm not calling on now second in command, the so-called deadly IPENSO, it's gone. I believe by now he's in hell facing his judgment. These are people that brag that they are immortal and they are invisible. They brag that nobody can bring them down. They brag that security cannot stop them. They brag that the country belongs to them. They will run the country the way they like. They will kidnap at wish. They will hijack cars at wish and buy whoever they wish to buy. But today, the formidable Imo State security have managed to pay for his transportation to God for due judgment. And let it be a warning to others who are still in the bush, Asali and the IPENSO. We are coming for you people. I told all of you that pray to pass this coming December. Just pray. Make sure you pray. If you pass this coming December, you will not pass early next year. It's a promise we must keep. And I'm still reaching out for you people to repent. I'm still begging you people to surrender. Surrender your weapon and come out of bush. All government will do is just to profile you and put you where you belong. That's all. Criminality does not pay. If you think you will win the government, you are dreaming. There is nothing like any Biafra coming. Anyone advise you to stay in the bush that Biafra will come. Just know it that the person is trying to lure you to your early grave and you will definitely die. That's just a promise. So I'm not begging you, but I'm telling you, if you are still inside bush, you better come out. If you are afraid that maybe if you come out, the government will take you, just contact me. I will lead you to the government, and believe you me, you will just be profiled and the government will use you for what they want to use you for. So come out of the bush and get your help. Some of you are complaining that over there in North, that some bandits are being, granted amnesty, but amnesty you are talking about is still running in Imo State. Amnesty is on in Imo State. Amnesty is on in Anambra State. And amnesty, it's on in some other states I may not mention. All you need to do, come out of the bush, surrender your weapon, and let the needful be done, and you will start living your normal life again. But if you refuse to, we will come for you. And when we come for you, we'll buy you.
One day, really or not here. When did you do with Bumele? Chino Debe. I was going on. I never get a feeling I don't know what to give you. I don't know. I own a car or someone that no cause if you consume really back. Ebe wakre ko ne Biafra or nothing. Akwetana. You have come again. I want to make you update. Akwetana. Oh yeah, Biafra. I want you update na. I could update na. It I get back to back. Ta gonna ta on Monday, 15th of September. You have come again. It I get. But when I'm again man to man so. One day the worst thing you man why throwing you again. It I get now. The worst thing you man why the worst mistake you man why throwing you again. Boy, I don't know you again. Because it's throwing you again. I got back in me where. That is why I don't lose. But one day you they fire them back to back. They get now. They fire them back to back. They fire them back to back. Biafra or nothing. Umuchuku or nothing. One we pesina. Was the top Biafra. Biafra got very one day. They get. And you know you go the Igbo man. One day you bring them. Just never correct as Biafra. And I believe. Oh, I am again. I am a man. I got I would have my way carrying Biafra soldier must go down. Biafra or nothing. And I will make it know why I could get Biafra. What again? I'm like a guy. You will make it know why Johnny put job Biafra. Boy. I'm not going to push out. But see, I will make the banner. Kujo ye Biafra mo Kujo. Boy, if I catch you. Because I'm like, I will Kujo Biafra won ye. I was like, oh, it gets now. Mba, I will Kujo Biafra when I was like, oh, more Falan. When you're Falan. They get now. I don't want what Jidegi. Ndị Igbo sokwe o, ndị a na-asụ Igbo si na-awụ ndị Igbo ha sokwe. Because ndị a na-agba nwanne ha sabụ, ndị Igbo a na-agba nwanne ha sabụ, who diri Igbo man. They get now. I am Chimeke Matana. Eri Igbo man. I got sabotage nwanne ya. I wonder ka ha eji ọbara ndị Awụsa mụọ. I want to ask that and have an ask it's a long people down. I'm all over and I was like a more. It gets a good man and we kiss sabotage one day. I got now. I want again. Bobaga. That was Sunday. I have come again. And how can you buy a one you? It gets young guy has said, made and drop a more tank. But to thank God for life, Sha. That's na material na damage be here in the hatch the one. And the conformance men they run out. Now men they run out, mothers na heart. Any man where carry go no be Biafra soldier. Any man where carry no be Biafra soldier must go down. They get now.